Hello everyone, welcome to Pi for You. Today we're going to discuss something about our previous topic, that is how to use built-in function and what are the possible types of error in that inbuilt function input. Okay, last time we have learned how to get a name and age as input from user and then we can process that. So now we're going to check it with how to get input from user and how to check the type in a same program. That's a is equal to input, enter the value. Now I try to get a value that is of integer type, which means a number. Then print a. This means it is prompting for the input from the user. I'll try to give 5. Yes, 5 is printed. But I have the suspicion for using the 5 into our numerical program. That is of, if I want to get two numbers from the user, I need to get as integer type, that is of number. I'll get one more input. B. Now I'll try to add a plus b. First value is 1, second value is 1. What is the output? No, definitely as you think it is 2, it's not 2. That is 1, 1. It has made a string concatenation, but we need here to be added. In such case, you should introduce typecasting here. That is integer of input, same as for the second number, integer of input function. When I run now, first it gets input from the user from this input statement and then it converts the string value into integer value. So at last we can get the sum as the result. Enter value 1, enter value 2. Now I'll give value 1 and value 2, 1. The sum is 2. This is how we can start getting integer input from the user. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.